Hi everyone! Chances are you're watching this video because you want to grow your own food, because food has become so expensive these days. But perhaps you've never started because you think you have to have a lot of space to grow vegetables. You give me 1 foot of space and I'll get you a garden. Whether you have an acre or a balcony, you can grow your own veggies. I'll show you what to do, exactly what you need to get started, where to get it, and you could be planting your garden come Saturday. We used to live in a duplex with no backyard and only a cement patio, and I thought I couldn't grow my own vegetables. And then I discovered the solution. Containers. I planted a few containers and put them up on my block wall just to grow a little bit of my own food. I was so excited for my first harvest. It tasted delicious and I was hooked. And I love them because they were small, portable. I could grow them anywhere, a sunny window, deck rail, small table, and I could grow anything in them. They were exactly what I needed. If you have just 1 foot of space, you can do this. You can start growing your own food just like I did. What you need are these fabric containers. The 1 gallons and 5 gallons are perfect. You can grab them over at my website, or you can get them at smartpots.com. Either place, you get a discount. The next thing you're going to need is some soil. Head over to your local garden center, pick up a bag of organic potting mix, or if you can't get out, I'll put a link in the video description of where you can buy some online. Or if you want to save a little bit of money by making your own potting mix, follow my video right here to get you started on that. Once you have your soil, you need to fill up your containers with your soil, pre-moistening it as you go before you plant your seeds or your plants. Next, you're going to need some seeds. Now, if you already know what you want to grow, great. Head over to our website, take a look at our seed collections. Maybe you'll see something you like there. But if you don't know what you want to grow, I highly suggest you start with herbs. Remember those first vegetables that I planted? Guess what they were? Herbs. I loved how easy they were to grow, how they punched up the flavor of my food, and I was saving money by not buying expensive herbs at the grocery store. I got you covered here too. My herb seed collection has 9 different varieties, so you don't have to worry about what to plant, and you get 20% off with the code GROWFOOD. When you're planting your first herb garden, it's really important that you keep it simple and align your planting with the seasons. For example, your warm weather herbs like basil, thyme, and oregano grow best in the summertime in temperatures between 70 and 90 degrees. And your cool weather herbs like parsley, cilantro, and dill grow best in the early spring or in the fall in temperatures under 75 degrees. That way you optimize their growth and have lots of herbs to harvest. The next thing you need to do to set yourself up for success for your very first herb garden is to give them ideal growing conditions. Give them plenty of sunlight, 6 to 8 hours a day is best, and also don't forget to water. Make sure the soil is moist but not soggy. A lot of herbs can even dry out a bit in between waterings and still thrive. In my videos on how to plant an herb garden right here, will show exactly how to get yours planted. Now it's up to you. You know you've got the space, you know exactly what to do and what you need to get started. You know where to find it. Now it's up to you to make the commitment. Leave me a comment. I'll be looking for it, and I'm here to encourage and support you every step of the way. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time here in the garden.